Hi, Waukegan. I'm Nicholas Alexakis, Director of Communications for Waukegan Public Schools. This is 60 and 60 for the week of August 19th. The new school year is rolling along, and we're here with some exciting news about one of our middle schools, a preview of fall athletics, and information on an upcoming event for our EL families. Starting off, we'd like to give a big congratulations to the students and staff and families at Miguel Juarez Middle School. The school has been named a School of Distinction by the Association for Middle Level Education in recognition of its outstanding efforts in implementing best practices as part of the school's growth initiatives and for transforming the school culture and climate. AMLE annually recognizes exemplary schools that work to implement strategic vision-setting processes to encourage ongoing growth and success. Juarez is one of just 17 schools nationwide to receive this prestigious recognition. Congratulations, White Tigers. Waukegan High School athletics are now in full swing for the fall season. You can keep up with our sports programs on social media and on our athletics website, WaukeganAthletics.com. Check out the website for a full list of events and schedules for this year, and be sure to get out there this season to cheer on our Bulldog athletes. And finally, our district EL department will host a virtual parent workshop event next week to help parents get insight into how to support their child with language development, as well as learn about the goals of our dual language program. The virtual meeting is aimed for parents of students in pre-K through grade 5. It's titled Raising a Language Learner, and it will be held through Zoom on August 27th. Elementary parents should have received an email with the Zoom link and information on how to join the meeting. That's all for this week. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to watch each week for all the news and events happening in Waukegan Public Schools.